Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 7 to the power of 1 plus x minus 7 to the power of 1 minus x is equal to 50. So to solve this problem, I'm going to first start by subtracting 50 on both sides. So then these two cancel out, and I get 7 to the power of 1 plus x minus 7 to the power of 1 minus x minus 50 is equal to 0. Sorry, this is a plus. So now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So 7 to the power of 1 plus x is equal to 7 to the power of 1 times 7 to the power of x. And 7 to the power of 1 minus x, I can write this as 7 to the power of 1 times 7 to the power of negative x. And 7 to the power of negative x is the same thing as 1 over 7 to the power of x. So now from here, I'm going to let 7 to the power of x equal to the variable m. So if I replace 7 to the power of x with m, I get 7 times m, which is 7m, plus 7 over m minus 50 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by m, mainly so we can get rid of this m over here. So if I distribute m, 7m times m is 7m squared, 7 over m times m is 7, and negative 50 times m is negative 50m, and for right hand side, 0 times m is 0. So if I rearrange this, I get 7m squared minus 50m plus 7 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So to solve this quadratic equation, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 7, b is negative 50, and c is also 7. So I get m is equal to negative of negative 50 plus or minus the square root of negative 50 squared minus 4 times 7 times 7. Now this all over 2 times 7. Now this is equal to 50 plus or minus the square root of 2500 minus 4 times 7 times 7, which is equal to 196. And I have all of this over 14. So now 2500 minus 196 is equal to 2304. So like m is equal to 50 plus or minus the square root of 2304 over 14. And the square root of 2304 is 48. So I get m is equal to 50 plus or minus 48 over 14. So I have two solutions of m. I have m equals 50 plus 48 over 14, and m is equal to 50 minus 48 over 14. So for 50 plus 48 over 14, 50 plus 48 is 98, and 98 divided by 14 is equal to 7, so m is equal to 7. This is one solution, and for this one, I get m is equal to 1 over 7, or this can also be written as 7 to the power of negative 1. So now, going back, we're not done yet because we have to solve for x, not for m. And we let 7 to the power of x equal m. So I get 7 to the power of x is equal to 7, and 7 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 7. Or, in this case, I'm going to write this as 7 to the power of negative 1. So in this case, x is obviously equal to 1, and in this case, x is equal to -1. So these are my two solutions.